This is week 4, worksheet 1, ELA, let go of my Lego. The first thing that I did was I went through, I put my name at the top and I labeled my paragraphs P1, P2, P3, P4, P5, P6, P7. There are questions on the back. We've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 questions. 2 are multiple choice, the rest are short answer, which means you will need to be using sentence stems for those. The first thing that we're going to do is Miss Sloger's going to read through it once. You should read through it once and then answer the questions. Remember, if you need to read through it again, you don't have to just read it twice. You can read it as many times as you need to. I'm going to start up here at P1. One Saturday afternoon, Mark and his friend Lance sat playing with Lego blocks on the carpet in Mark's room. I bet you don't know what Lego means, Lance said, snatching a red block right from out of Mark's hand. He stood and held the Lego block tight and put his hand behind his back. Lance, Mark cried out as he jumped up, grabbing at his friend's hand. If you can tell me what Lego means, I will give it back, Lance teased with a grin, twisting to keep the block away from his friend. Mark tried to wrestle the Lego away, but it was no use. I don't know, he said, plopping down with a big sigh. Lance gave a knowing smile as he held out the block. See the way the dots are raised here, and they fit with the holes in another block? Lego means fit together in a language called Latin. Mark's mother had been watching from the doorway. It also means play well in Danish, she said as she came into the room frowning. She took the red Lego from Lance's hand and gave it back to Mark. This time it was Mark's turn to smile. So I'm going to go on the back. I am going to read through the questions with you. I'm going to help you with the sentence stem for number 2. And then you're going to have to go back through the text, find the answers, and underline them yourself because you should be able to do this by now. So number 1 says, why is Mark upset in this story? A is because his mother said he can't play with his Lego blocks, because Lance ruined his Lego creation, because Lance took a Lego block and won't give it back, because he doesn't know what the word Lego means. 2 says, what does the Latin word Lego mean? 3 says, what does the Danish word Lego mean? 4 says, why did Mark smile at the end of the story? Lance gave him his Lego back. Mom gave him his Lego back. Lance taught him a new fact. Or Mom started playing with the Legos. 5 is, what is the setting of the story? Remember, setting means where does it take place? So I'll write that here. Where it takes place. And that is what the setting is. All of these questions should be really easy to answer. I did say that I would help you with the sentence stem for number 2. So it says, what does the Latin word Lego mean? Remember, we get rid of the question words. And it's just the Latin word Lego means. So it shouldn't be too hard to do the other ones. Remember, when you're looking for these answers, you're going back in the text. So if it's what does the Latin word Lego mean? You're going back in the text and you're looking for where did he find it out? Maybe you have to read through paragraph 1, paragraph 2, paragraph 3, and so on until you find it. But these answers will be in the text. When you find the answer, you're going to sit and you're going to underline it. So you're going to underline wherever it is that you found it. That way I know when I look through these that you went through and you checked. And make sure to do that for all of the problems.